hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Bless up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing going on. You don't know, so they attacking boss there. But people, so right now, attack them NEWLINK. Some boy they at Jamaica now feel like say them tough. Feel like say them wicked. Feel like say them a gangster. Feel like them a bad man. But you see your boy now, your 23-year-old boy from down at HAN0VER, who them call Mackenzie. Let me tell you this. You see if a real bad man will you see if a real gangster will you're gonna see how them deal with you. Because you would get the chance right now for in a police custody. That's how me I go tell you. Because you're not a bad man. You is a waste man. You is something who not deserve no placement on this land. Well, viewers and subscribers, news are reached to me now. Say, on September the 23rd, this boy now who named Mackenzie was arrested and charged for RAPE. A 14-year-old girl. 14. It is said that people, this boy, earlier this year on several different occasions, this boy managed to use knife, put at the girl neck, carry her in a car, people, and drive the guest house in a parking lot, people, and put it on her. More than one time, more than two times, more than three times. It is said that this female people managed to get pregnant. You understand? 2 times. And this boy buy pills and give her to dash it to 2 times, 2 different times. Now, people in the end them said she did afraid kind of threaten her and thing, you know what I mean? When you put knife on her neck and threaten her and thing. So she managed to tell the mother people. Zine. And when she tell the mother now, the mother comes to boom and make a report to the police. And I saw the police them do the investigation and just boom. And charge the boy. People. Don't HAN0VER this, you know. You remember the one that make cover down a mobile with the big man there. The big thick boy there. With the same look up picnic and the look up picnic and tell her, oh, I'm checking him same way and this and that. And have a picnic and do this and carry him go and this, so go do it back at the house and at the unfinished house and this and at the car and this. And now you see what this boy are the people. 2 times, you know. Him get the picnic, you know. Zine. Nobody don't know how this boy condition stay, you know. Zine. If this boy have some big A something, you know, people. You understand? Not even say big A, but who get the same thing right? Who give the same thing authority? What a wicked sin thing, people. And them a sin thing and now. You are going to tell me NEWLINK say, them a sin thing and now. If it comes to boom, go jail. Go drink big old black tea. Zine. And go down big old fried dumpling. And go work out. And then go to prison and go live life. Start play football. Then go yes and go learn trade. After damaging then few years time in the back on the road called RAPE. Pick me up 14. Imagine me is the father now, people, of this female. Or the brother. Even the cousin. Just like the blogger NEWLINK right now. I know me feel, people. You see the attack with this boy I get. You see the attack where you get, boy. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. You think a joke attack this? You think a play attack this? What you feel like? Deep inside in your brain, what you feel like? You watch it, you know, because I know you have phone in there, see it, you know. What you feel like? People, you see them as same thing, yeah. No, me see what the police them say, you know. On a real level, what the police them say, yo. Right now, for any man who kill police, to get the penalty, that big D death penalty something. Honestly, my viewers and subscribers. And I just say one of them who kill the police to get it. The one them who do this to look up it and forget it. The one who are grown and are killing innocent people forget it. You understand? Me want it to come, yes. But not just to order the police them things. Remember the citizens them of Jamaica, people who are do them things too. See? Because when I look on a 14-year-old pitney, even if she a boss them, even if she look a pitney that, and you manage to put knife people. Attempted that attempted, yo, you know, we even not gain a sentence time, you know, brother. Brother, we are calling brother for NEWLINK. Hey, take back that. You not forget no sentence time, you know. You feel you forget no sentence time, you know, what? For what reason? Get what kind of sentence? Me say me a give you the chair. Me a give you one joking or so. And you manage to do this to people. But I'm saying, people, the girl afraid her life. Which are the same thing that happened to the girl. I'm be enough look of female I go through them something people. Because the church, and when them do the church people, them a tell them say them a go do this to their mother, them a go grow on this and them a go do this. You understand? Because these them young. Them not think. Them afraid. See? People. You know a lot of people think say yo she into it and this and that, but on a real level. You have some boy who go around and then do this to the people them. And a joke thing. Me say I feel it, viewers and subscribers. Me not feel good. Me not feel good. Me not feel good. Why youth if a desperate and want some tum brother? Look how much goat they done HAN0VER, brother. Call him brother again, you take back that. Attack. Look how much cow down there. Look how much donkey. And them here again, because you're an animal, you know. You're not human, you know. You think me going to tell us, yo, if you go back road, or if you go up and do a dead end, go buy nothing. Or go in the market back, go buy something. No. You don't deserve to buy nothing. You deserve, me tell you, a pig. You deserve a goat. You deserve a fowl. You deserve a cat. And them that's you have to lie with animal. Man. You understand? You don't deserve to go up and a ton. 14. I say, yo, all in I sell on the day if you come in there with no beat it in there. No joke thing. Authorized by NEWLINK, signed and documented by NEWLINK. You know I sell. You understand when they come any one of them. Officer cramp a boy style too. Officer take him back now, knock him in the knee cup them. The officer. Knock him up. No joke thing. NEWLINK now deal with no ease. Destroying the little girl future. Tarnishing the little girl future. 2 times you pop the little girl. 14-year-old. You see your boy? You see you? I just your neighbor. Yo, I can't tell you no. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and the people. And stay blessed, you know. And stay safe out there because people, it's a planetarium. It's not easy. Remember NEWLINK telling you that. Peace out and respect. Attack them. Big up. I don't know.